Now this is left lung. The point of identification, first point is it has a oblique fissure which divides the entire lung into two lobes, superior and inferior lobe. To keep it in anatomical position, the anterior border is the sharp one which should lie anteriorly, posterior border is rounded which should lie posteriorly, and this one is the inferior border and inferior semilunar surface or base of lung which should lie downward, and this apex of lung should face upward. This is the costal surface and this one is the medial surface. Now we are dividing medial surface again into two parts, the mediastinal surface and the vertebral surface. Vertebral surface is in close proximity with the vertebral column, and the mediastinal surface is having various relations with the contents of the all three mediastinums. Now about the hilum structures. This is the hilum of the left lung. The structures passing inside and coming outside through the lungs are known as root of the lungs, and this hilum inferiorly forms a ligament which is known as pulmonary ligament. This one is the pulmonary ligament here. Now structures of the hilum. This entire structure is the superior pulmonary vein. This one is the pulmonary artery. This one is the left primary bronchus which is dividing into two lobular bronchi or bronchus. Then this one is the inferior pulmonary vein. Now from above downward, the arrangement of the structures in the hilum are pulmonary artery, principal bronchus and inferior pulmonary vein. From before backward, anterior to posterior, superior pulmonary vein, it is bronchus, superior pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery and then the left principal bronchus. These are from before backwards. Now for the impressions on the surface, mediastinal surface. Impressions के लिए one point एक रह गया था, जो anterior border होती है. Anterior border, it has a notch which is known as cardiac notch, and below this cardiac notch and inferior border, the structure of or the part of lung is known as the lingula of lung. This one is the cardiac notch. It is characteristic feature of the left lung only. Impression कर ले. Now for impressions. This entire impression is for the left ventricle of the heart. Now this impression is for ascending aorta, this is for the arch of aorta, and this one is for the descending thoracic aorta. Now this near to the descending thoracic aorta, this slight impression is for the esophagus. This is esophageal impression. Now near to the apex, this impression is for left subclavian artery. लेफ्ट सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी इंप्रेशन, बस खत्म हो गया, ज़्यादा इंप्रेशन नहीं है इसके अंदर. कर दो बंद कर दो.